Dictation number 5. Why are cats associated with old maids? Dictation. In Egypt, cats were considered sacred to the goddess Bubastis, the Egyptian Diana, full stop. Her priestesses were vowed to celibacy, column. They passed a great portion of their time attending on the cats of the temple, full stop. Mrs. Loudon suggests that hens, perhaps, may have a reason. The idea that a fondness for cats is a sign of old maidism. Full stop. New paragraph. Apollo created the lion to terrify his sister Diana, and she turned his fearful beast into ridicule by mimicking it in the form of a cat. Full stop. Cats were dedicated to Diana, not only when she bore her proper name, but when she was called Hecate with capital H, Hecate, full stop, witches who worshipped Hecate had always a favorite cat, full stop, new paragraph. A very great number of cats' mummies, and there is an apostrophe between cats and mummies, after mummies, discovered in Egypt, afford ample proof of the esteem in which Pussy was held in open quotation marks thieves' streets, and thieves is capitalized just like streets is, and there is an apostrophe in between thieves and streets. 3,000 capitalized once again, years ago, again capitalized, close quotation marks, full stop. If one died a natural death, comma, it was mourned for, with many ceremonies, semicolon. Among others, the entire household, comma, where the death took place, comma, shaved off their eyebrows, full stop. If killed, comma, the murderer was given up to the mob to buffet him to death, full stop. Cats were held sacred when alive, comma, and when they died were embalmed and deposited in the niches of the catacombs, full stop. An insult offered by a Roman to a cat caused an insurrection among the Egyptians when nothing else could excite them. Full stop. Cambyses gained Pelousas, and Pelousas is spelled with capital P, comma, which had previously successfully resisted all attacks, comma, by the following stratagem, colon. He gave to each of his soldiers employed in the attack a live cat, comma, instead of a buckler, comma, and the Egyptians, comma, rather than hurt the objects of their veneration, comma, suffered themselves to be vanquished without striking a blow. Full stop. New paragraph. Herodotus tells us that, open quotation marks, on every occasion of a fire in Egypt, comma, the strangest prodigy occurs with the cats, full stop. The inhabitants allow the fire to rage as long as it pleases, comma, while they stand about, comma, at intervals, comma, and watch these animals, comma, which, comma, sleeping by the men, comma, or else leaping over them, comma, rush headlong into the flames. Full stop, close quotation marks, new paragraph. In some of the curious Egyptian pictures at the British Museum, comma, you may see the representation of cats being trained to catch birds. Full stop. New paragraph. Cats are frequently trained in California to catch a species of burrowing pouched rat, comma, called a gopher, comma, a destructive animal infesting fields and gardens. Full stop. Cats, comma, so trained, comma, are very valuable. Full stop. New paragraph. We are told that there was once a cave on the island of Cyprus, comma, which was called Cat Cave. And Cat Cave is, of course, capitalized. Full stop. A monastery stood here, comma, the monks of which were compelled by their vows to keep a great number of cats, comma, to wage war against the snakes, comma, with which the island was swarming. Full stop. At the sound of a certain bell, the cats came trooping home to their meals, comma, and then rushed out again to the chase. Full stop. When, comma, however, comma, the Turks conquered the island, comma, they destroyed both the cats and their home. Final full stop.